This love is very, very rough. Whoa. This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Whoa. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maka, why you have to kill me now? Because of Gina, you want to kill me. Yeah, my Gina, she's my Gina. I'll kill you for Gina. Gina is mine. I will kill you right now. I will kill you right now. I will kill you because of Gina. I will kill you because of Gina. This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Whoa.
TikTok, oh. TikTok will kill me. Hey, see this fine girl. Look at her style. It's like I'll sew this time. And what are you doing here?
I'm here to see Gina.
To see Gina? I thought she asked never to come to this house again. Or have you certainly gone deaf?
Look, I'm not in for all this drama. I know Gina is in there. Tell her to meet me at 5-star hotel. Because I want to put a stop to this rubbish.
Mr. Man, I will advise you to go and apply for work in Bollywood and start acting in Indian movies. Nahi. Because it's obvious you don't have a job. You are jobless. See, you better go out there and look for something to do with your time. Come and stay here and be looking for Gina. See, please, can you leave this house?
I don't have the time. Tell Gina to meet me at 5-star hotel.
As your servant, I'll be waiting. I'm not your servant, can you leave?
5-star hotel. Tell her to meet me there.
Look at this boy. Just imagine. You don't see servants now. Nonsense. Not for this house next time I'll total for you.
Alright, boss. Boss, consider it done. Jack, we have another mission to execute tomorrow.
Confirm. Now you dey talk small. You know so wetin I want just here now. When it dey take place? When will the strike?
GRA. You don't say the man a politician. Oh boy, we're talking about $30,000 here.
Oh! Bulleta!
Oh, when my dog go
Bulletino bulleta!
back. My dog go back.
Oh boy, no boss!
My dog go back. Hey. Oh, Chief is calling. Hello, boss.
Work hard, fight for the right. Keep out. Make sure you leave no trace. I repeat, leave no trace.
All right, boss.
Avoid your balance from the job.
Confirm. All right, boss. Consider the job well done. Jack, we're moving to 5-star hotel immediately.
Now you dey talk small. Where they go? Go bust everywhere now. They are here.
Oh,
They don't know us.
no worry.
That will be us.
When it's done.
Hello, Sharon. What's up? Are you serious? What does he want? Huh? Oh. It's okay. I'm driving there to hear what he has to say, okay? Oh yeah, no problem. So take care. Bye.
Gina is mine, Gina is mine, Gina is mine. I will do anything for my Gina.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
What's the meaning of which nonsense? So despite all my warnings, you still parade yourself around my girl like Romeo, right? Okay, you want to know what a kid brother can do?
Bryan, if you don't get out of my way, I will forget the fact that you're my brother. I will kill you and nothing is going to happen.
I will pay no attention to that. Because I have enough time to mourn and cry like a baby. And I would like to create a scene on top of the one that have been created already. If I were you,
Are you threatening me? Look at you. You're threatening me. Listen, you can do nothing more than a dead rat. And you see, as for Gina, you are never going to have her. Never. Read my lips, I said never.
CNN will announce the headline. Ogadi bloody. Very bloody. We no go, no. Ogadi bloody. CNN will announce the deadline. Ogadi bloody.
Gina is mine, Gina is mine, Gina is
So, manager, when exactly did this happen?
Officer, it happened 30 minutes ago. I was in my office when I heard the gunshot. So I quickly rushed out here and met a lady in the pool of her own blood. I had to call the hotel ambulance to rush her to the hospital in case they can help out. And that was when I called the police.
What hospital is that?
General Hospital, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
this number has been coming consistently. His name is Bryan.
The number has been calling.
Yeah.
Okay, if he calls again, answer it.
Okay, sir.
Call the state CID, tell them to send 2 delegates there to the general hospital. Please. Eh? So 30 minutes ago, you didn't see anyone?
Oh, yes. He's our guest. You can stay inside, right? I asked them to sit put. I can handle it, okay? Everything is under control. Just go back in.
Sorry, please, you can be inside.
You can just stay inside, all right?
No, officer, this is my girlfriend's car.
Oh.
We have an appointment here.
Your
What's going on?
girlfriend's-
Are you Bryan?
I'm Bryan. This is my girlfriend's car. Where is she?
You're the one that has been calling her phone.
Officer, this is my girlfriend's
This is her phone.
car.
This is her phone.
This is my girlfriend's phone. This is her car.
I'm sorry, sir. The lady in question was shot 30 minutes ago. She's in the hospital, right?
How?
Oh, sorry, sir. Please, can you just come with us to the station? We'll explain better there, please.
My own girl shot. How? Where? When?
Can you just come with us?
Officer,
please?
I'm not understanding you.
Just come with us to the hospital. We will understand better. Let's just go to the station, please. Please, sir, please. Let's go. Please. Do you have anything you need to pick up?
I'm surprised. I don't go to the station for what?
Please, let's just.
wanna lower this music or listen to this news? I think this one, it has to do with the operation we did earlier. I think it has to do with the operation we did earlier.
Police are carrying out a deeper investigation on the murder of Zara
They're not rich! If a caliber try yourself, the body go dead them!
Jack, they cannot try me. Even in the next one to come, their papa never reach.
Boss!
Now who the Zuzu? Who the Zuzu for here?
Boss, calm down, calm down! I know this your smoke well because this your smoke, important pass caliber self.
This one, they pepper me
If
for
they
body.
try you, body go dead them!
Confirm.
Go dead them, well.
So, say, Jack, every one of you have to relax and lie low until this pressure is over.
Boss!
You get?
Boss!
You get me?
That one go hard!
Relax your body.
You go hard though! Go hard!
Relax your body. Relax your bones.
Calm down.
Just relax.
You got my bone. Love is for my joy now.
Who is there? Please come in.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, and how may I help you?
My name is Detective David from the State CID. You must be Mrs. Linda Benson.
Yes, I am.
I just want to inform you that your two sons have been arrested for the murder of one Miss Gina Okeke. They are at the police station right now.
My two sons?
Yes. They've been arrested for the murder of one Miss Gina Okeke.
No. My two sons cannot even hurt a fly. Talk more of committing murder. Please, check properly. There must be a mistake somewhere, please. There's a mistake somewhere, please.
Sorry, ma'am. I just came to inform you. Please, if you want to see them, you come to the station. Thank you. Have a good day.
Officer! How is that even possible? Mother. No.
Gina is mine. I will kill you, brother. I will kill you, brother. I will kill you because of Gina. I will kill you because of Gina. This love is very, very risky.
So tell me, are you ready to talk now? Who killed Gina? Officer, I did not kill her. I did not.
You're proving stubborn, right? Okay. Good boy. Continue.
Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will do anything for my Gina. I can't kill.
Mr. Benjamin Okoro, am I right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, do you know one Miss Gina Okeke?
Yes, officer, I know her. She's my friend's fiancée.
You are aware that she was murdered?
Murdered? Officer, you mean Gina is dead? How? I don't understand.
Well, that's the reason you're here, my friend. Apparently, your friend threatened to kill her, and he said over his dead body, would any man take her? So I asked a question. Did your friend say that?
Yes, officer, he said so. But I don't think my friend Steve can do such thing. He loves Gina so well. He loves her. Moreover, he said so in anger because He wanted to get back at his brother. Officer, it's so complicated because his brother also threatened him.
Are you sure? He is your friend. And his brother is not your friend, right? Are you sure you are not trying to cover up something here?
No, not at all, officer. No, believe me.
Okay, humor me. Are you aware that he also threatened to kill her instead of his brother? Just to get at her.
Officer, believe me. Steve is my friend. Not just my friend, but a good one. We've known for good 3 years. Yes, sometimes he do say crazy things, but believe me when I say he cannot hurt a fly, officer.
Alright. That will be all for now. We'll get back to you.
Thank you, sir.
So, doctor, tell me, how is she doing? Is she still unconscious?
Well, she's still in coma. The bullets penetrated through her shoulder, very close to her heart. We've been able to remove the bullets. We're just doing our best to revive her back.
Doctor, can she survive this?
Well, it's a 50-50. Like I said, the bullets penetrated so badly. But we're doing our very best to make sure she comes back to life. Very close. Washing her.
Doctor, please, make sure you do your best. And please don't fail to contact us if you need anything, okay?
Very well. Very well.
Okay, I'm going to station 2 of my men just outside, just for security purpose, okay? Until we are done with our investigation.
Of course, sure you can. But please make sure you don't disturb my patient.
Oh no.
I'll show you.
Thank you.
I am sorry, madam. As you can see, there is nothing I can do. This is a murder case. We are working tirelessly to get the culprits. This is all for now.
Gina is mine, Gina is mine, Gina is mine. I will do anything for my Gina.
I want both of you to listen very carefully. Tell me the truth about what you know of this girl's death.
Dad, I didn't kill Gina. How can I kill a girl I love so much? I didn't.
Liar! That Bryan killed my fiancée and he's just pretending.
You think I didn't know that you did it? That he killed Gina. He said he would, and he did it.
You stop this nonsense. What has come over you? Is it until you end your lives in prison before you know the gravity of accusations they've leveled against you people? I've been trying my best, my wife and I, to make sure that both of you are out of this place, but you are busy accusing yourselves. Now listen to me. This case is heavy, more than you think. If you must come out of this place, you must be in your best behaviors. I'm trying to discuss a case filed out already with my family lawyer. And by the time I'm done with that, I'll come up here to tell you the outcome.
Cliff, time's up. They need to go back. Get up! Thank you very much.
This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough.
So you guys are gonna say the truth, right?
Fight you, I will kill you. Because of Gina, I will fight you, I will kill you.
Get up.
Because of Gina, I will fight fight you to retire. Fighting for a girl to retire. Fighting for a girl to retire.
Miss Chelsea, tell me, who do you think could be responsible for your friend's death?
It's Bryan. I'm very sure that murderer shot my friend.
Do you have any proof? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I am sure. You see, he came to the house and said that I should tell my friend to meet him at a 5-star hotel. I related the message to my friend, and then my friend drove there only for her to be shot. Can't you see? It's obvious. It's very clear. I mean...
To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire, fighting for a girl.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, okay? I'll be on my way now. If there's any other thing, I will send for you. And don't hesitate to call me, okay? In case you have anything.
Thank you. I appreciate. Please do whatever you need to do.
To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire.
Chief is here to send our balance.
But why is it delaying? The job was well done. I mean, we not try. Tell me, boss.
Leave that man. When he try. Now he go next say my dog, not only the back. It the bite as well. Leave the idiot.
So you mean say that girl, she never die?
If she like, no she be witch. But I go let her know say na me, the deadly wizard. The strong bundle of Jatuaka.
Boss, no worry. If she survive on this time, make my head, make it roll!
Jack, the reason I always count on you, bro. Oh, roll. No back. But see what you go happen. Where's that you, babe? Call him, how they go.
To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire, fighting for a girl. To retire, fighting for a girl.
Babe.
To retire, fighting for a girl. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue.
Your friend finally succeeded in putting my sons in police cell. How can she even engage 2 brothers? Let her just pray that nothing happens to my son. If not, she will see war!
War? War, you say? Your son's a murderer. They murdered my friend and you have the guts to bring yourself here to rant.
Your so-called friend is a cheap prostitute. And that's how she goes around collecting money from men. You think I don't know? Let her just kneel down and pray to God nothing happens to my sons. If not,
what will happen?
If not what? She will not like me. Oh, please shut up! Child. Your sons killed my daughter. You are here saying this? Don't you have conscience? I'm asking you, don't you have conscience? That's true. Shut! I am not true. Wait. What I want to tell you is this. Hear me. That will never go free.
Amen.
My God shall use thunder and brimstone to visit them.
Amen.
It is a promise. If you had trained your daughter properly, there's no way you turn out to be a cheap prostitute. And here you are shedding crocodile tears. You think this tears will move me? Oh, hell no! Just pray. Pray that nothing happens to my sons. If not, both of you will see the other side of you.
You are making noise.
Out! Get out!
Mama, why are you crying for that
woman, I will dissolve her. I promise you, she won't do anything. I will dissolve her. Okay? It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. She's just making noise. She's making too much noise. It's okay.
Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will do anything for my Gina. I can kill for my Gina.
Doctor, what exactly happened? How is she?
Calm down, she's fine. Your boy stopped them from entering a ward.
This is serious. I think they are working with information.
Yes. You know what? Call the ambulance. We're taking her out of this place immediately. Doctor, please, I hope you do not object. This place is no longer safe for her.
That's fine, no problem.
Doctor, please can we see her? Can we see her?
Of course, sure.
She's upstairs.
Thank you.
Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will do anything for me.
You mean those thugs still went to attack her at the hospital?
Yes, sir. But she's fine. Our boy stopped them.
This is serious. It's obvious that the killers are still around the corner, getting more information.
Yes, sir. That is why we're working tirelessly to make sure we fish them out.
Interrogate those suspects and try to get information from them. You can as well go to the streets and do so.
I'll do that, sir.
Fighting for a girl. Too right, fighting for a girl. Too right, fighting for a girl. Too right, fighting for a girl.
Boss.
It's a very big issue.
The police, they have been monitoring all our movements. Immediately we got there at the point of attacking, they opened fire. See where gun they crack. Back. If not, it's my small automobile I carry for pockets. But we managed to escape, Sha. Yes. Okay. Brother Chief. Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
What did Chief talk?
Chief say, make we lie low for now. Say, but him go send much money for the weekend. Make we take package. He say, but make we lie low.
Confirm. You know, it's not my fault. Not even your fault.
No shaking.
Don't worry yourself. We hit the target.
Too right, fighting for a girl. Too right, fighting for a girl. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will do anything.
I'll ask you again. Who sent those thugs to kill Gina?
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about.
I didn't kill her!
Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will do anything for my Gina. I can kill.
I didn't kill her!
Oh, this love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Oh, I will fight you.
I didn't kill her.
I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you. I will kill you because of Gina.
Who sent those dogs to kill Gina?
Officer, I don't understand. How can I be here and send people to kill someone?
I'm not going to play games with you, so don't play games with me. I will ask you one more time. Who sent those thugs to kill Gina?
I don't know.
You will rot in jail. That I can promise you.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother. Too right, fighting for a girl. fighting for a girl. Two brother.
Officer, you know, I am a man of high repute. So I said, it's not everything you talk on phone. Okay. I really want you to fish out the killers of that poor girl and stop torturing my sons in your custody.
Chief, I understand how you feel. I can assure you that we are doing everything we can to apprehend those culprits.
It's okay. I appreciate that as well. Like I said, it's not everything you talk on phone. That's why I asked you to come over. And I know that one good turn deserves another. Please, I would want you to give me your account details, so I want to transfer 4 million.
Chief, that won't be necessary. Thank you. But like I said, we are doing everything to apprehend the culprits. You see, this is a murder case. I must follow due procedures. Okay?
Yeah, I'm talking about your fear. Something.
Oh no, don't worry, Chief. It's fine. Anything that happens, I will let you know. And please don't hesitate to call me anytime if you have any information that can help out in this case. And if you don't mind, I would like to take my leave.
It's a very big issue.
Thank you very much.
It's when I the love. Now my brother con the love. I wonder upon a
Babes, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Brian's mother came here to rant. She was threatening us. She has the guts to open her mouth and was ranting that if anything happens to her 2 sons, that she was going to hold us. Can you imagine?
That woman, she dey craze for head. Upon say her 2 sons killed our friend, she still have the mind to come and blab trash. She get us an later. I for sure say e dey hot. But wait, you dey fall my hand though. As in, if you enter that woman, if you teach her small lesson, as in, tell her say you dey vex, say you carry vex for body.
Don't be like that, babes. Don't be like that. You know, as it dey hot now, matter dey ground. We don't need to take laws into our hands. We just need to take it easy. Let the police people work it. Let them work on it. Mama, stop. Stop! I promise you this too. Mama, they don't even mess my friend up and walk away. I swear. Mama, I swear. I don't have VAR. Mama, I will deal with them. Be calming down. Just be calming down. I will take care of this. I will make sure those 2 fools draw in jail. Even if it takes my last couple in my account, I will do that.
I will tell them to say small body no be sickness.
I hear you.
They will wait for us. As they should wait for me.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, calm down. Chelsea's here. See, I'm your older daughter.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother.
I came so we can have a peaceful conversation. As you can see, my partner is not here. So tell me everything you know about Gina.
Officer, I did not kill Gina. I love her so much. The threat I made was for my brother to leave her alone. Trust me, I did not kill her.
This thing is complicated. Your brother is pointing an accusing finger at you. Is there something you need to tell me? Anything?
The day I met Gina was on the road.
Thank you today, Mr.
Steve.
Don't mind me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Alright, can I take you out tomorrow evening, 4 p.m?
Tomorrow? I'm supposed to be engaged tomorrow evening, but then I'll make out time for you.
Good. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow then.
It's okay.
Okay.
Bye.
It's a very big issue. 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 It's anger when I love. Now my brother got
Gina, you always put a smile on my face, and today I've decided to do the needful. Will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother. Yeah, my Gina. She's my Gina. I will kill you for Gina. Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother.
Your father is doing everything possible to make sure that you and your brother are out of this place. So I came just so we can have a simple conversation. Tell me, is there anything that you haven't said that can help you get out of here? Anything at all?
Officer, to be frank, I didn't kill Gina. I mean, how can I kill a girl I love so much? I didn't kill her.
How did you guys meet? And why this fight between you and your brother over her?
Officer, I met her at the supermarket. The other day I went to get some stuff for myself. The other day, when I was about to engage her, I saw a ring on her finger.
Fighting for a girl. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm Bryan. Actually, your beauty called me, so I thought to say hi to you.
Oh, seriously? I'm Gina.
Gina, wow. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
So if you don't mind, can we see next time, maybe hang out or talk, you know?
Maybe next time.
So if you don't mind, can I have your digits?
No, let me call them.
Okay.
081
081
470
470
1223.
I'll hit you.
It's okay. Bryan, right?
Yeah. Drive safe.
Fighting for a girl. It's a very big issue. 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 It's anger.
Please stop now. Wait now.
Oh,
Wait.
Laughing.
Stop now. Stop.
Ow! Oh, my leg. My leg.
What?
Oh, my leg.
Somebody help! What is it? Baby, somebody help! Baby, what is it now? What?
Baby.
What is it? What?
Baby. Will you marry me?
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you! I'll marry you!
Baby. What's this?
The ring?
Yes.
You just come on. As a friend, you know that guys should be coming my way steady, so I have to use it to scare them away. My ring. Oh my God! This is beautiful! Thank you! Thank you!
The girl is so pretty.
She's so beautiful.
Very tall and
Pointed nose.
Nose have eyes for good things.
I'm telling you. Son?
Dad? Mom. I just saw Steve with my girlfriend. I mean, my fiancée.
Excuse me? Steve came here and introduced his girlfriend to us. She said her name is
Gina, yes.
And it's not quite long they left.
And she's so beautiful.
Dad, Steve has drawn the battle line and I will face him. He engaged my girlfriend and I saw them at the supermarket.
I'm confused.
He will hear from me. Steve will hear from me.
Honey, please go in there and find out what is exactly happening.
Hey, because me, I'm not getting any.
I don't understand what he said.
I'll be right back. Son?
Don't get it. Are they falling in love with same girl? Oh no. No.
To protect, fighting for a girl. It's a very big issue. 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 It's anger when I laugh. I'm my brother on the laugh.
Oh,
Officer.
yeah, manager. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So what's happening? We've not heard from you ever since the incident. Please, is there anything, any information you would like to share with us?
Officer, there is no information yet. If there was any, I would have passed the message across to you.
Manager, is that CCTV camera working?
Yes, officer. Our CCTV cameras are on to the
Which means the CCTV camera was active the day of the incident.
Definitely.
Can I see the footage, please?
Yes.
Please, let's.
It's a very big issue. It's anger when I laugh. I'm my brother gone. Because of Gina, you want to kill me. Brother, damn a Gina.
So, you have this.
Sir, we are just coming from the hotel and we were able to meet the hotel manager, and now we have the CCTV footage of the incident that happened that very day. Now we know the suspect right now, sir.
Wow, this is good news. You have to get your boys to the streets immediately so that they can fish out those idiots.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And in case you may need my assistance, do not hesitate to let me know.
We'll go, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Wow. Finally.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me. It's a very big issue. It's anger when I laugh. I'm my brother on the laugh.
Barrister, you know my wife and I have a name to protect. We cannot be this influential in the society and then watch our two sons gnashing their teeth in the police custody. You know, over a case I know very well that they did not commit. We trained our sons, you know, to the point that every actions they do, we must be aware of it. They are not that kind of people that could hurt a fly, not to talk of murdering a soul.
Chief, it's a murder case we're talking about here. And there was threat between your sons. It happened that your son is the one that invited the girl to the hotel that she was shot. Yes, Chief. So you see, we have to handle this case amicably. Chief, I will go and see your sons by tomorrow and talk to them to know more and how to go about the case.
Barrister, please, I beg you in the name of God, do everything in your power to get my sons out of the police custody.
No problem. You have nothing to worry about, Chief. I will handle this case.
Barrister, 1 minute. let's not lose sight of the bigger picture, okay? The reason we invited you here is to let you know that we are capable of giving millions to make sure that the real killer of this girl is brought to book at the end of the day. So we are out here to ask you to name your prize. We will give you millions with all the barristers in your chambers so that these things can be solved at once and for all. That's why we invited you here. Tell us how much will it cost? Just tell us. If it is in dollars, we can give you in dollars. If it is in pounds, we are capable of doing that. Even euro. If it's in euro, we can give you money in euro. Okay?
Okay, Chief, I will, that will be my pleasure, but I have other case at hand to handle. Chief, you don't have anything to worry about. I'll handle the case.
Really?
The same woman I do love, I'm my brother gone to love. Whoa, whoa, two brother, fighting for a girl. 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 It's a very big issue. 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 The same girl when I dey laugh, now in my brother gone dey laugh. I wonder, upon up the beautiful girls, we're full everywhere. Now my own kilo, my brother they one try. Now my own kilo, now in my brother they one shot. I be to see Biggie Kebege, I be to see Biggie Baba again. They can leave my baby for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No be the same girl when I dey laugh. You go still the put to eye, brother. Don't try, don't try, don't try. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Let you take a easy, oh, brother. Hey, oh, brother. Take a suffer, oh, brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother.
Sir, please, do you...
Fighting for a girl.
Anyway, have you sent this person around here? Sure.
Take a suffer, oh, brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother. Fighting for a girl. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue.
What on the bros? How you doing?
I did.
What on? Sorry to disturb you. I beg. And this place, they confuse me. I beg, I find two guys. I don't know if you go help me out.
Bros, who you be?
No vex. Now my brothers be this, so I just define them. It don't reach like 1 week now. But the thing is, I don't know this area. I don't know if you could help me out. I beg.
Wait, bros, you mean those two guys are your brothers?
Yes.
You a bad guy, you?
No reason I'm like that. See, okay. I will give you something. I beg.
I'm the only son of my parents now, and I cannot do this. Please look for another person.
Okay, see. Make it not be like say I thought 9 bad pass. Yeah, hold this one. Not that much, but just hold up. I beg,
You dey serious, you know wetin go happen. I go direct you, but you no go mention my name.
I don't ask you.
You go tell them say you see me.
No, I don't know your name. I don't go. I know how I want to mention wetin I don't know.
Okay, no problem. You know wetin go happen. Just go straight. At the back of that yard, you see one completed building for there.
Yes.
You go see them for there.
Just go. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Let you take a easy, oh, brother. Hey, oh, brother. Take a suffer, oh, brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother. Fighting for a girl. Two brother.
Chief, you mean your 2 sons have been in the police custody for over 2 weeks now?
Well, I was so shocked when my wife called me while in London. I had to leave everything I was doing to fly down here.
Mm-hmm. And what is the police doing about it?
Well, I have been able to involve my family lawyer because I cannot stand a man of my personage, with the news going around town that my 2 sons are under the police custody for a murder case. I can't stand it. I can't stand that. I can't stand it.
I think you have to do everything within your powers to make sure you get them out of that way.
Well, Sambo, I have told police my own peace of mind. If they are ready to take money, I will give them money so that they will get to the root of this.
That's it. I think you've done well. That reminds me, what about your wife?
Oh, she's fine today. She went to the police station to see her sons.
Oh, brother, let you take a easy, oh, brother. Hey, oh, brother, take a suffering. Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother.
You both should stop apportioning blames on each other. The more you blame each other, the worse the case becomes. You two are my only children. Your father already told the family lawyer, and he's working tirelessly to make sure both of you comes out of here. So please, stop apportioning blames on each other.
Madam, your time is up.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Gentlemen, get up. Up. Move. Hey, that's it. Officer!
It's a very big issue. It's anger when I laugh. Now in my brother con the laugh. I wonder, open up the beautiful guys, we're full everywhere. Now my own killer, my brother.
Who did this to my daughter? Doctor, who did this to her? Why would this person let me know? Even if it would take me going down my nails to apologize to that person, instead of watching my daughter die before my own presence. Doctor! Who did I offend? Ooh. Wait. All I know is that anyone that did this to my daughter will never see peace. Amen. Joy will run away from this person. This person will never know peace in his or her life.
Mama, stop crying. Remember you're hurting yourself the more. Remember your health condition. I believe Regina will be fine. She will.
Madam, you need to pull yourself together. Now is the time for you to be strong for your daughter. We need you and you need us. Say a prayer for her. We're doing our very best to make sure your daughter comes back to life. So please, be calm, say a prayer, and let's get this done. We can do this together.
Doctor, Doctor, are you sure my daughter will be fine?
We are doing it.
Doctor, are you sure?
She will. Please.
Are you sure she will be
It's okay, she'll be fine.
Hi.
Oh, baby. Baby, press my nose. Press her.
Don't try to press my nose.
You don't start to. Asamudi, why you press me and say you won't kill me? What did happen to you?
Now because you leave me go to that person yesterday.
Don't go kill me, oh. Oh. Jack!
Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother.
Who do you work for? In your own interest, I suggest you start talking. I'll ask you again. Who do you work for?
Now I ask you again. Who sent you to kill Gina? I'm not telling you anything. You son of a bitch. I hate you! Now you're listening. You have no idea what you're up against. But let me give you a hint. When I am done with you,
Officer! Come on, take this man away.
Detective, sir. Have you been able to get any useful information from the suspect since then?
Not yet, sir. But I can assure you I'm doing my best.
You will have to do your best. Of course, you know this is our only opportunity to get the information we need from him. As you know, some other persons are also interested in this case. You will have to do your best, detective.
Yes, sir. I will. We'll do our best.
If you need any assistance from me, you can give me a call.
Yes, sir. Sir, I beg to take my leave.
Permission granted.
Thank you, sir.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me.
Sir, we lost the suspect, sir.
What? How could you be so careless knowing what is at stake? That is not an excuse. Now get back to the streets, get your boys, come to the streets and get the remaining culprits immediately.
You also have instructed, sir.
Now get out of my sight. What nonsense!
It's a very big issue. It's anger when I love. Now my brother
Barrister, I invited you over here because of my friend's situation. For God's sake, the killers are still in police custody.
They did this to her because they know we don't have backbone. Yes! They knew no one will fight for us. But no problem. God is there. God is there to fight for us.
Don't worry, madam. I will take care of it.
Barrister, I need this case to be charged to court. My friend is still in coma. I don't even know if she's going to survive it or not. I don't know what else to do. I just need this case to be charged to court. My friend is still in coma. I don't even know if she's going to survive it or not. The killers are out there. I need them to face the law.
Don't worry. Tomorrow morning, I will open a file for each.
Please. I'm trusting you in this one. Whatever that is required, please don't hesitate to let me know. Please.
Chelsea, please, I have a question to ask.
Go ahead.
Chelsea, who actually did this to us? I want to know. Who? Who, Chelsea?
That's why I invited the barrister now. Easy. He's going to take care of it. He's going to follow up the case and get the result for us.
Hello, Chief. Chief, you don't bust though. We tell our cabal yesterday like this, so the highway those Ekelebe come passing to us, they shot Jack. They can't go away. I just managed with the gay I escape. As you see me so now, I just try to say I leave town now. Before any problem will come happen. Alright, Chief.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me, brother.
This case is very critical. And I will need you people to comply with me to make my work very easy. As I say, your father has been working tirelessly to get the both of you out of here. And your mother, she has been crying all day. Now listen, this is a murder case. Yes. And you have to stop accusing each other if you want things to go smoothly. Now, tell me what I need to know. Because her friend has filed the case to court.
I did not kill her. Barrister, I didn't do it. Trust me.
It's okay. Enough. All I need from you two is to stop accusing each other and stick to your words that you didn't kill her. Anyways, the police tried to get one of the killers, but he killed himself while we were torturing him. So, you guys are still the suspects until the killers are found. All eyes will remain on you two. But all I just need is your maximum cooperation. Okay.
Gina is mine. Gina is mine. Gina is mine. I will.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
Check it. He's dead. We lost him.
Oh, shit. Huh. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Oh, forget it.
Detective, did I hear you say you lost him? You are making me believe you are incapable of handling this case.
All you bring to me is bad news all the time.
I'm sorry, sir. The truth is, we tried our best to catch up with him. He nearly escaped, so we had no choice but to shoot us.
Is that what you want to explain to the Commissioner of Police? Now listen to me and listen good. Get your boys immediately, get out of the streets, and come to the streets and get the remaining culprits arrested. Leave my presence at once.
Sir.
Leave! Excuses all the time. And that's nonsense.
No, but seriously, that was what happened yesterday. You know, I didn't get to tell you. No, seriously. It's not your turn. You know how easy to get it. Calm down now.
Really? Now listen and listen properly, you prostitutes.
What? I beg your pardon? I mean, did you just call us prostitutes?
Come, you dey mad. You get sense at all? See, if you dey mad, I dey mad pass you. Open your mouth and talk that rubbish again, I go run enter you. Who do you think you are? Eh?
Now your mama, your entire generation are prostitutes, not us. Are you insane? Look at this woman.
I'm not even here to banter words with you. Like, I can't stand here and be exchanging words with you. Both of you should go on your knees and pray to God nothing happens to my son. If not, you will see the evil in me. It's a promise.
I am not a prayer warrior.
I'm not just saying it, it's a promise. You will see that devil in me. That is prostitute. Come on here. Where are you going to?
I'm trying to hold my peace. My goodness.
You don't have to allow this man to spoil our day. Just leave that old cargo. She's not, we can treat her for up. Just
this one get luck. I just stay in a good mood.
Calm down.
Oh, that's the way you show me I like her. You just off me. I swear. Show me.
Just check it out now.
Really? I still remember that woman.
Leave her.
See, you can do this woman. Va. I would dissolve her.
I go want TV for her.
Show me that thing again. Ma just dey cool. Ma dey cool my mind. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look.
It's a very big issue. The same guy when I dey laugh. Now my brother come dey laugh. I wonder. Open up the beautiful girls. We're full everywhere.
Sweetheart, you've been so moody since you came back. You couldn't even talk to me.
Those girls stepped on my toes. And I'll make sure I deal with them squarely.
Just, it's okay. I understand what you are saying. But I want us to be careful so that we will not do some cross-capital. You know what is at stake? Our sons are also, under the police net. So we must do something to make sure they are out of that place. Let's just be careful, okay? But trust me, I will fix it. Alright?
I know exactly what is at stake. But they will hear from me soon.
Trust me, I will fix it. Hand everything over to me. I'm capable of fixing this. Alright?
Thank you.
It's okay. I think Bridget have something for you on the dining. I'm just seeing it over there.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? Sure. Okay.
His phone is ringing, but he's not picking up.
He's not picking up. See, babe, calm down. Maybe he's busy or something. Yeah, maybe he's busy.
Please, just give him some time, okay? If he doesn't call you back, then you call him again. Please, calm down.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, barrister.
Don't you ever call this one again if you love him. And for Mr. Jude, we're taking care of him. No, we don't need any other stuff.
Hello? Hello? What is it? It's a lie.
What is
oh
it?
My goodness. Mr. Jude has been kidnapped.
What? I don't understand.
She has done her wish, and I promise you, she will regret ever knowing me.
So, are you sure what I'm saying? So this woman get mine kidnapped by Sir Jude. Eh? Hey, this woman don't need the drum of war, and she will get war. We will give her war. Eh?
She has done her wish.
She don't need the drum of war.
She has done.
She don't need the drum of war. Eh?
And she will ever regret knowing me.
I don't understand.
I don't hear your message. I dey feel am. But maybe you no run o, because we go dey fight till we die.
So this woman, she go still war. Wait. So this woman kidnapped by Sir Jude. See, this woman will still war. She will still war. This woman will still war. Waiting. If I be my phone.
Madam Linda, I got your message.
I think this is the right season for the oil boom in Sao Tome and Principe. I had about 6 barrels being refined, and it's a good quality. You know, that's why I like that little island. Rather than going to Russia or maybe Germany to refine, I prefer there. Are you expecting someone?
No.
Hello, come in.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Detective David from the State CID. Ma'am, you are under arrest for the kidnap of one Barrister Jude Okafor.
Excuse
me. You are summoned to the State CID right now for questioning. Please move.
Excuse me, officer. Of course, you know the implication of accusing my wife for kidnapping.
I think your wife can answer that, sir.
I beg your pardon, officer. Do you know exactly what you're talking about?
It will do you good to keep quiet and please move. For anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move it.
Sit down. It's all right. You follow me, okay? I'll be right behind you. Let me get my car keys. Officer, that's no problem. Okay?
Please.
Sit down. I'm coming back.
It's okay.
Babes, you see that woman? She must hear from me. I will show her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry.
The worst part of it is that she's denying it. See, the worst part is that she's denying it. She even get mine to deny am. But nothing spoil, Sha. Nothing spoil. Let me see how she will escape from this one. I will make sure we fight her with our last card.
Babes, you see my own be say, if she like, make she bribe the police with money. I don't care, but all I know is that she go collect for that, as in she go collect. I'm not sure banker, so I'm not chill. Not be here again. We go run a matter. We go tell us now we get that game. Now we they play the game. Oh, I'm not chill.
I wonder, upon up the beautiful girls, we're full everywhere. My own
Babe, I invited you here so that we can have a simple discussion that will change your life. And I wouldn't want to go more further. The business we're talking about here is going to fetch you 5 million naira into your account. So I'm going to drop like 2.5 for the job. When it's well done, you get your balance.
Okay, so tell me, what is this job all about that you want to perform such amount of money?
It's a simple job. Who else is if it's not Steve? It's Steve, of course.
You must be joking, right? Do you know whom Steve is to me? He is my best friend.
I don't need those long notes, please. That's not what I called you here for. This is a simple business that can change your life overnight. Okay? Friend, and you're still looking like this? Has Steve ever offered you 5 million naira in your whole life before? Think about it. Who else is if it's not Steve? It's Steve, of course.
You must be joking, right? Do you know whom Steve is to me? He is my best friend.
I don't need those long notes, please. That's not what I called you here for. It's a simple job. Just put a poison in your friend's food and that's all.
Okay. I have many friends. Who exactly are you talking about?
Steve, of course.
You must be joking, right? Do you know whom Steve is to me?
Please. That is not what I called you here for. This is a simple business that can change your life overnight. Okay? Friend, and you're still looking like this? Has Steve ever offered you 5 million naira in your whole life before? Think about it.
I will fight you, brother. Gina is mine. Gina is mine.
Madam, Chief told me what happened, so I had to rush down here immediately. But tell me, did you really threaten them?
They also threatened me. It's just a woman-to-woman talk, and they concluded that I kidnapped their lawyer. How is that even possible?
It's okay. It's okay, madam. I will go to the DPO's office. All you just need to do now is calm yourself down. I will do everything possible to get you out from here.
Listen, barrister, I don't want to spend one more night in this place. Just try everything possible, everything in your power to get me out of this place, please.
Don't worry, madam. I will do my very best. You're welcome.
Oh, stop that. 5 million naira is not like a train gun money. So, are you in or out?
Oh. I'm in.
Good. Now listen. You're going to take a blood covenant with me. Yes, that in no situation will you open your mouth and rant if you ever been caught. Deal or no deal?
I don't understand. But we did not bargain for this.
Stop. 5 million naira is not like chicken change. It's not like a money you go get a gum somewhere. Deal or no deal?
I'm in.
Let this house bear us witness that if you are ever being caught, you are not to mention my name. Did you hear that? I'll be right back.
Let you take time easy, oh brother. Hey, oh brother, take a shuffle, oh brother, fighting for a girl. Gina is mine. I will kill you, brother. I will kill you.
Talk. 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 I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Water. When you talk, you get water. If you do not talk, you don't get water. Now talk! I said, talk! I'll die. I'll die if I talk. Mr. Ben, I will ask you for the last time. Talk. Or my hands are not going to get tired. Talk! I'll die if I talk. Talk! It was Chelsea. Chelsea. She fed me 5 million to buy this team.
This love is very, very rough. Whoa. This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Whoa. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina.
Officer!
Because
Officer!
Don't try, don't try, oh, brother. Oh, brother, let you take an easy, oh, brother. Hey, oh, brother, take a suffer.
Chelsea. This one you're carrying your bag. Where are you going? I mean, I hope all is well.
All is not well. But I'll call one of my friends to just
Chelsea. Yes.
Good day, ma'am.
Officers, you're welcome.
Thank you. My name is Detective David from the State CID. Please, where is Chelsea?
Chelsea. Chelsea.
Miss Chelsea, you're under arrest for accomplice to the murder of Steve Benson.
What?
See, madam, listen, you don't have to say everything. This is an...
Move it. Officer, wait.
I don't like embarrassment.
Just say move.
Excuse me. I know what I'm there. I need to come and...
Officer, please.
Excuse me.
No, force me to do something.
Excuse me.
You force me to do
You don't embarrass me.
I just lost my job.
Chelsea, officer! You don't do like that.
Oh! What kind of thing is this, God? What kind of thing is this? What have I done to people? Just tell me what is happening to me. I lost my daughter and now Chelsea is being arrested. Who will take care of me? I need my daughter to come and take care of me. You think I will live to see this? I will never live to see a big man!
Mama, are you okay? Mama, what is it? Are you okay? Mama, what is it? Are you okay? Somebody help! Mama, please, Mama, don't do. Somebody help! Mama, what is it? Please. Mama, please, stop this, Mama. Stop this joke now, Mama. Somebody help!
Actually, her blood pressure increased to 190. Same with her sugar level, went up to 170, which led to a stroke.
Okay, doctor, so what can I do? I mean, what can I do to solve this problem? Is it money? Just say it, any amount. Money won't be the problem.
I'm sorry. We lost her. Calm down. You're doing just great. Pull yourself together.
Don't try
Yes, thank you very much for bringing my wife home. I appreciate. I will deal with that people squarely. Yes. It's okay. Thank you very much, Barrister. Thank you. Oh, no, she's fine. She's fine. All right. I'll get back to you.
Hey,
Doctor, Gina.
This love is very, very rough. Whoa. This love is very, very risky.
This case is getting tough by the day. Everybody that's supposed to serve as witnesses are all dead. And fingers are still pointing at you and your brother. Listen, you need to tell me anything you know. You need to, so I can fasten this case and get both of you out of here.
Barrister, when I was quarreling with my brother, a private number called me, threatening to kill me if I don't stay off Gina. I was even thinking it was my brother.
Yes, I remember. A private number also called me with a different voice. And I even thought it was my brother that was behind all this.
Wow. Okay.
If that is the case, I need to get hold of your phones and trace that number. Yes, I think that will help.
This love is very, very rough. This love is very, very risky.
It's okay.
This love is very, very rough.
Chief, I got in touch with your sons and they said a private number called them and was threatening them. And they never asked anyone to do that for them. So, I guess we need to take that number.
Really?
Yes, to fasten this case.
Well, in that case, I need to call Bola, who works at the regional office of MTL.
Okay.
Yes,
Hey, oh, right, take us off for it. Oh, right, fighting for a girl.
Hello, Bola. How are you doing today?
Thank you.
It's been a while. I hope you are doing good. Yes, I am calling respect to this my son's case. There is these hidden numbers that called their phones 2 weeks before they were arrested for that kidnap and murder. Oh yes, I have spoken with the IG and of course from the division they are bringing a note to cover such exercise. I want you to track those two numbers and unravel them, so it will be easy for the police and my barrister to do their job. Well, I'm just giving you first-hand information. The police is fully involved in this whole thing. bring in papers that will facilitate. Of course, they will copy to your directors for that. It's all about intelligent research. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yes, of course, I'll get back to you. Okay.
Chief.
Yeah.
What did he say?
Oh, no.
We work out.
We work out. Of course, the police has already, started doing something about giving them authority to do that. So it will work out. It will work out.
Yes, Chief. We really need to know who is behind this.
Barrister, I am so happy for all your effort. I will reward you at the end of this whole saga. I will reward you handsomely.
Thank you so much, Chief.
It's nothing.
I really appreciate it. Chief, I'll be on my way now. But Chief, please, in case you get any information, let me know so that I can follow up with the case.
No, it's okay. As soon as you leave now, I will forward my son's 2 lines for him, so it will be easier.
Okay, Chief.
I appreciate it. I will get back to you as soon as possible.
Okay, Chief.
Wait.
Thank you once more.
This love is very, very rough. Whoa. This love is very, very risky.
Now, this is what I'm going to do for us, okay? Now, you're going to call him on phone. And when he picks, you pretend you're talking to your boyfriend. And he doesn't know that, okay? So you talk to him for some time. When he reacts, you tell him you're sorry that's the wrong number, okay?
Alright,
and
sir.
Then he calls. Now, please, make it romantic.
I'll do that, sir. Hello, Elvis babe. Good afternoon. Where are you? Why do you keep me under the sun waiting for you? Honestly, I don't understand what you are doing to me this year. Honestly, I'm very stranded here. Oh, wrong number. Sorry, sir.
Okay, that was nice. That was good. Now, let's wait and see if he calls.
Oh, sir, I think you really what? Wow. Hello, sir. Oh, wow, really, sir. Thank you very much. I'm at McDonald's Junction. Please, can you come over?
Okay, I'm coming there to pick you up. Just
Wow.
give me 5 minutes.
Wow.
McDonald's it is. Let's go.
You're under arrest.
Because of Gina, you want to kill me.
Oh, God. Chief.
What is all this?
Chief. Your number called 2 brothers 4 weeks ago and warned them to stay away from Gina. So I asked the question, who killed Gina?
Gina? I don't know what you are talking about. Who is Gina?
Chief, Chief, in your best interest, do not play games with me. Do not play games. Who killed Gina? I said, who killed Gina?
He wants to kill me.
Did you kill her? Say something!
Okay, I will talk. I will talk. Hey! These people want to kill me. Hey, I'll talk. I killed her. Sent my boys to kill her.
Why did you kill her?
She ate my money.
Flash off. I don't like what I'm experiencing. Don't let me get angry for you. For how long can I be waiting for you in this place? Eh? If you're not coming, let me know so that I can know what next to do. Huh? Okay. I'll call you back. Hello, pretty. Hey, you look pretty. Do you live here?
Is there any problem?
No problem. I just feel that I am Chief Sambo. What is your name?
Gina.
Gina. Hi, what a pretty name. I wonder what a beautiful girl like you is doing outside by this time of the day. Would you mind if I take you wherever you want to?
No, no need for that. I'm already calling my cabman to come pick me up.
Please now, I insist. If you wouldn't mind, I would like to do just that.
Oh, really? You really want to be a gentleman? Yes. It's okay. I don't mind. Well, I really had a nice day today.
Yeah.
You made my day. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No, don't mention. You're good. More will come if you accept me.
It's okay. We'll talk.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for everything.
It's okay. Bye.
It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue. It's a very big issue.
I can't understand. She's not picking my calls. What is going on? Okay. I think I know what to do. What is going on? Huh? I've been calling you for weeks now, and you're not taking my calls. The other day I saw you with a guy. Eh? How much is that guy even giving to you? Just tell me and I'll double it.
Chief, please, I beg. Just leave my life alone. I need my freedom. You cannot own me forever. Meanwhile, you cannot service me the way they service me on bed. You're an old man, you know that. So keep calm. You're an old man, you know that.
So when I was lavishing my money on you, you didn't know I was an old man.
Wait, did I hear you say lavish your money on me?
Yes.
How much did you spend on me that you're calling lavishing?
You cannot eat my money and go scot-free. I must get my money back.
Are you threatening me or something?
Let me just tell you, don't dare me. A lion, whether dead or alive, you know what he can do.
Let's just get out of this place. Is that a threat or something?
Eh? Is there a truth or something?
What for? I at least expected this from This is our picture. Look at it. Monitor her movements, and when you're through, feed me back with all the information I needed about her.
All right, boss.
Please, I require a good job.
We will deliver.
Thank you.
I'll wait.
Okay.
Send the picture to me.
Okay. Is your data on?
That's fine.
Okay. You got it, huh?
Yes, I will.
Good luck.
Take care, sir. We will deliver. Hello, Jack. Show.
You are very wicked.
Chief, listen to me.
You are very wicked.
Chief, listen. You will rot in jail.
Detective, we can settle this now. Is there no way out of this? There's always a way out. I can't sit here. Nyash. If I nyash in here.
Don't try. Oh, right time. Oh, right time. Let you take time easy. Oh, right time. Hey, oh, right time. Take a softness. Oh, right time.
What do you want? Gina, I am sorry for all the pains that I've caused you. Your love is like the wind. I feel it everywhere that I go to. I can't let go.
I lost my mother. The only valuable thing I have left, she's gone.
Gina, I am sorry. I'll always be there for you. Please, just stop crying. You know I hate to see you like this. Please. It's okay. It's okay.
This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Whoa. This love is very, very risky. This love is very, very rough. Whoa. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. I will fight you, I will kill you because of Gina. Gina.